Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I got this eye look today. It's a bit of a struggle, I won't lie. It's not really beginner friendly at all. This glitter, if you can't see, is sort of like, I think you can see sort of glimmers. It's all over my face, all over. So anyway, enough rambling, let's get started. I'm going to be using the Be Perfect Carnival palette. As you can see, it's very used of hit pan on many colours. The yellow and the orange are very closely following the pink and the blue at the bottom. But yeah, let's get started. I will be using liquor at the bottom. I'm going to use the mirror in the palette, so if I'm looking away, that's where I'm looking. And ooh, no base. Alright, we're going to start with liquor. Just creating a circular shape. Following across your eyelid, just mirroring the shape of your eyelid, but in a circular shape. Like that, you see? Going to go into Guilty, right here, and then just stamp it all around the shape that we created, just like that. And then we're going to take a fluffy AO8 brush into Funky, my pink over here, and then we're just going to do the same thing, stamping it. And then what we're going to do is just build up these three colours. A different one. We're not doing the usual oval and lengthening cut crease. We're doing a round one. Oh yeah, I did my eyebrows off camera. This is how I usually do my brows. Like, I don't really conceal that often. It just red. Depends how I feel, to be honest. Because I like this natural looking brow, even if my eyes are doing the most. So I'm just going to go into Keen. Yep, see? So we're just stamping that in where we did our crease. Oh, I found it! I thought I lost the brush, yeah. Small, like this is actually a concealer brush. Just never, skips. Like I'll look in the fridge and be like, is that really what's on offer? I'll pass. And that was such it's such a shock to everybody because they know how big of a snacker I am. So my sister, of course it was her favourite, so she would make sure to go buy them and know that, oh yeah, it's still going to be there when she gets back home because nobody else likes them. So, a little background to my relationship with skips. There you go. I'm just going to get a small brush in the NYX Glitter Brilliance. In silver for this part. I'm not sure if I should do it on camera or not. Yeah, I'm not doing this part on camera. I'll be right back. So I'm back. They do not match. This is why I didn't want to do it on camera. What did I use? So I used this small brush here to put the glue on, and I just put it around. I just put it around the crease like that, and then I used a curved sort of brush to apply the glitter on. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my lash. Where's the lid? Yeah, doesn't matter. I'm just gonna put on my other lash. The lashes I'm wearing are the Marinas from Demure Lashes. Ooh, ooh, you wanna? Oh, first try, guys. That has never happened, like ever. I may have to top up the other side because they really don't match. Anyway, let me blend the lashes in. Wow, they really just sat on my lid like I know what I'm doing. Wow. Shit. Oh. So I'm going to top up the other side with the glitter. This side is way more intense, and I like it better actually. Just gonna pop them through just a tiny bit across. Oh, I hope I don't mess this up. Okay, and then I'm gonna get the same tiny brush I used before. Pretty for me. And this in the lid of the glitter pot. I'm just gonna add that on top of the. That's better, they match up a bit better. They're not the neatest, but this is what happens when you have a glitter liner. I don't mind it. What do you guys think? Let me look for them. I usually get my blush or blusher brush and just squeeze it and then wipe away any excess glitter. That usually helps. I think that made a difference. Yeah. Okay. Whew. Okay. Okay, now we can get started on the rest of the face. I'm doing something a little bit different. I've been doing a lot of, not really, but yeah, been doing a lot of late nights but early mornings. So the darkness under my eyes is strong. It's not cute. So, oh, found the lid. Yes. Okay. I had my primer in my hand and I dropped it when I found the lid. A mess. Anyway, same primer as usual. Barry M Flawless Original Primer. You have to open my other one. I know it's fine, it's fine. I'm actually going outside today. Can you guys imagine? Wow. What's going on? Fenty Beauty in 420. I've been using the colour corrector at the bottom just to even out my skin colour. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I just don't like how my under eye looks today. So I'm gonna go in with the Matchstick by Fenty Beauty in Suede. Yeah, I'm just gonna set. Why did I ever stop using this? Oh yeah, it's expensive like AF. It's nearly finished, Jen. I've been trying to save it. Now I remember why I haven't been using it. Well, I made them the old G back as well, actually. Come on back. TBE matchstick in espresso. I'm just gonna get more powder, put it under there. Get my sleek contour kit in dark and just go over the areas that I use espresso in. Back all the old stuff. Let me go get my blush first to use. The first blush I ever bought. Palette from Revolution in Sugar and Spice. And I'm just going to use this colour at the end. Put it on. Another Revolution palette. This is such a hazard. In Golden Sugar Rose Gold. As you can see, I used to use this. And which colour am I going to go in? I'm going to go into this colour here. Today, guys, I'm really not sure. I'm not sure if I like it, guys. But anyway, let's keep going. What did I used to do in my lip? I think I used to just line it and put gloss bomb on. Yes, I guess we're doing that today. Line my lips as well. Gonna go into the bronze. So that's the final look of my Skips inspired eye look. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a bit of a mess, a bit of a fail, but it happens. We have good and bad. This is one of them. The bad days, but let me go and see if I can take any decent pictures. And thank you for watching. Bye.